The Best 5 Resorts in Grenada, Part 4. Maca Bana Resort. Maca Bana, a collection of intimate villas, is providing panoramic views of Grenada and the Caribbean Sea. Tropical gardens, garden pathways, and a turtle pond await your discovery. A short stroll brings you to the white sands of Magazine Beach and Aquarium Restaurant below. Offering an outdoor pool and a restaurant, Maca Bana is located in St. George's, right on the ocean. It features a large outdoor terrace overlooking the ocean. Each beautiful villa here is totally air-conditioned and includes a full kitchen, seating area, and private terrace with views of the Caribbean Sea. Free Wi-Fi access is available in this resort. At Maca Bana you will find also a private beach area. An array of activities can be enjoyed on-site or in the surroundings, including snorkeling and canoeing. Maurice Bishop International Airport is a 7-minute drive away. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.